Yo, what's up guys? So tonight we're reacting to another scary video. So let's get right into it.
There is something underneath of that box. Oh hell no!
Nope, I'm out of there.
Top 5 scary things caught on camera. Scary people. Dumpster diving. So if you're not familiar with dumpster diving, which probably includes most of the people who are not in the US, it's basically scrounging through garbage dumpsters, usually behind department stores or businesses, to find valuable things or items that have been thrown out. Well, in this video, these guys aren't so successful in their dumpster dive. First off, they find some expired baby food,
Oh, that's
which
nasty.
one of them actually eats.
Jenny said he saw
Oh
like an
my
apple and
God,
pear in
that's
or something.
nasty.
What is that?
Squash?
Yeah, I'll take squash.
Really squash?
Yeah, let me get squash. I
Ew,
like squash.
what the hell?
Let me get it. There we go.
Grab one of them drinks here.
Oh hell no. Oh yeah, I should drink it. Oh.
No. We gotta see it in the mouth.
Oh no. Oh no, you don't know what the hell this is.
Here, wash it down. This stuff is good.
Then later that night, they find a very unexpected surprise in one of the dumpsters.
No. Guys. I'm not even joking. I'm not even joking. Inside of that dumpster. There is something underneath of that box. I'm not going over there. You look at it. I'm not going
Oh
over there.
nah.
That box right there just moved. I'm not even joking. That one. That oh hell no.
Yo.
Oh hell no. 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 He's gotta go. Go. Oh hell no.
Yo.
You better be. Oh, dude. Oh, are you all right, dude? What the hell was that? Dude, you gotta be kidding me, bro.
Yo, is that a raccoon?
Guys actually uncover a homeless man in the dumpster who angrily comes after them.
I'm not even joking. That one. That oh hell no.
A homeless man. Oh my.
Oh hell no. Oh hell no. Oh hell no.
Yo. Yo, that's a homeless man?
One of the guys gets a small cut on his arm, but otherwise they manage to escape unharmed.
A homeless
Behind
man.
the curtain. This video was actually a collaboration between two Estonian urban explorers, E.T. Explores and More, and Exploring with Darknet. So this is one of those rare videos where we actually get to see the action from two different points of view.
That's cool, that's cool.
Anyway, these urban explorers were investigating an abandoned building that had served as a sauna until 1995.
Sauna.
On the bottom floor, they find some equipment and a few dangerous open holes in the floor. Then, they head up to the second floor, and that's when things start to get a little creepy. At the end of the hallway, there is a white door with the odd phrase, "Ghost Room," scrawled on it in marker. When they try to open the door, it won't budge, even though
Hey, just leave it
it's not
alone.
locked. It's as if something is wedged
Or
against
just
the
leave it
door.
alone, dude. Leave it alone, dude. Walk away from it.
See on nii kinni.
Ma saan lihtsalt alt on kinni.
Jah, see lööb. Mis nii kinni saab olla?
Dude, just walk away. Just walk.
Vaatad ees. Seespool või?
Sure enough, it looks almost as if someone has intentionally barred the door from the inside with a metal pole. When they enter, they see a curtain or bed sheet covering the door of one of the back rooms. Nevertheless, they continue deeper into the so-called ghost room.
No, I'm not doing this.
taga on kardin käes või? asjad olid ees.
olid jah?
äkki sa tunni juba viibime seal.
taga on jah mingi kardin ukses või millal vait. aga see on küll nagu siuke creepy.
One of his friends warns the explorer who calls himself Darknet that he shouldn't continue.
sinna ma ei läheks.
Yeah, true, bro. Listen to your friend. Just don't go.
But Darknet doesn't listen, insisting on
Bro.
seeing what's behind
This is
the
legit in a horror movie. Literally, this is a horror movie, bro.
sealt käisime juba.
Alright, let's see that.
Käisime küll.
Sorry, we're a little tired.
ei käinud või?
käi. läbi selle lina või jah.
ma kuulen, et siin on diivan ja see on nii kauge. küsige.
Oh no! Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, a homeless guy again. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh no! He jumped out of the window. Yeah, I'm sprinting out, bro. Nah, I'm sprinting out, bro.
läbi selle lina või jah.
ma kuulen, et siin on diivan ja see on nii kauge. küsige. siin. ei.
Dude, that sounded like a demon, bro. Oh my god, it sounded like a demon, bro.
Boys make a break for it with the angry man in pursuit.
Oh my.
After
Dude,
charging
he was
down the
cha-
stairs and avoiding
Oh
some
nah,
holes in
bro.
the
He
floor,
was chasing
they
them?
make it outside and
No,
back to their car.
I'm not rocking with that.
Creeping around the
Oh
corner.
my god.
Some Canadian
No, this
urban
is-
explorers are
this
checking
one's
out an
scary.
abandoned insane
This one's scarier than
asylum when
last
they
one. The last
encounter
one,
something
For me,
very
wasn't scary, but this
unexpected.
one's super. I think this one. Yeah, I'm watching this at night, bro. Okay, yeah.
This is like
Has
a
a good, right? It probably says something
this is where they kept the
bad,
crazies.
probably. Looks like I got blurred out that too.
Did you hear that? Man, that was coming from upstairs. That was coming from upstairs. Let's go see. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. It came from upstairs.
What is that?
It's up the stairs. Go first, man. Shh, no. Because I want to get this on video. I want to get this on video, man. Did you watch The Asylum? They filmed that same exact thing up here. Man.
Oh. What is that? What is that?
Where'd the other guys go? Where'd the other guys go?
Now, because this person is acting so bizarre, some people initially claimed that this was a creature, a cryptid, or something other than just a person
Oh,
making
no.
very strange noises.
What the fuck was that?
But if you look closely, this person is wearing shoes. So, that's just a very skinny person moving in a very bizarre way. But could this be a former patient? Is it some random disturbed person living in the abandoned building? Or is it all just a hoax?
Nah, bro.
You decide.
Nah, that was scary. Oh my god, I was
Welcome
like,
to the neighborhood.
ooh, give me the chills.
This next video was sent to me directly by Cassie Lee,
No,
1991.
I don't like that one.
So Cassie says that when she and her
that
boyfriend
shit was
first moved
scary.
into their house, they went to sleep one night and woke up to find this creepy spectacle outside their home. Someone sprinkled rice all over her boyfriend's car and completely surrounded their house with it, as if drawing a circle around their home for some kind of ritual. It was also obvious that a candle had been burned on their sidewalk throughout the night.
I did do a
But
seance.
that's
They're
not
doing
even
a
the
seance.
creepiest part of the stranger's nighttime
I don't rock with that.
activities. On their back doorstep,
I don't rock
Cassie
with that.
found
I
another
don't rock
candle
with
that
that.
also looked like it had been burned through the night. There was a wooden log, bottled water, a nectarine drink, an empty can of seltzer water which covered what looks like some freshly picked berries and flowers, And perhaps strangest of all, an empty dog food can with a spoon in it. Oh, and the welcome mat that all this stuff is laying on, Cassie says that it doesn't belong to them either. The person who left all these things also left the welcome mat that they are sitting on. Now keep in mind that all of this was done quietly overnight in the dark while they slept just a few feet away inside their home. Cassie says that their neighborhood is pretty quiet and peaceful and nothing like this has happened before or since.
How did they did that?
So what do you think that this person was doing creeping around their house all night long while they slept?
No.
Why were they
No, I
lighting
don't rock with
candles
that.
and leaving strange
Someone's
objects?
peeking out of the window?
Now, personally, I've never seen anything like this. So if you have any idea what this is, please let me know down in
Dude,
the
I thought you were doing
comments.
a ritual.
As always, thanks for watching. If you'd like to suggest a video for the top 5, go over to facebook.com/nukestop5 and hit the send message button.
Alright, that's end of the video. Pretty fast, honestly. Hope you enjoyed the reaction video. And no, bro, you gotta hit the like and subscribe button, bro. I just watched it, bro. In the night, bro. In the freaking night, bro. It's literally, bro, 11. Bro, I'm pretty brave, bro. But, catch you guys next time. Please hit the like and subscribe. Please hit the like and subscribe button. And we're out. Peace.
Let's fly away, far away.